Hi, I'm Andrea Beaulieu. We love stories, don't we? We love to read them and watch them and listen to them. They're great. We learn so much from them about ourselves and about the world. The question is, when do we use them? Because sometimes we use a story that tugs at our heartstrings, tugs at others' heartstrings, and that can feel a little manipulative at times if we're not careful. So here's how to use a story, especially if it's one of those tender stories that tugs at the heartstrings. Make sure that you're using it in the context of the journey. It's not just about that. There's joyful stories, personal stories, success stories. In the whole journey of life, there are those times that are tender. But those tender times, those heartstring story times, that's not the only thing that happens. So when you're giving your heartstring story in the context of a journey, that completes that journey. It gives me, as the listener, a sense of satisfaction to know everything about it, but it's not the whole story. Then you make sure that it's not being perceived as being manipulative. It's not doing something that you don't want it to do. So the next time you're thinking of telling one of those heartstring stories, make sure that you tell it within the context of your entire journey. Maybe not all the pieces, but a big journey, a whole journey where other things are happening as well. And you can be assured that you're okay. And remember, all the world's a stage and all the men and women players. So make sure that your play is authentically yours. See you next time.